Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Bollywood has been going through some major remake season right now. तम्मा तम्मा से लेके छम्मा छम्मा तक 90s के सारे सुपरहिट गानों का रीमेक बन चुका है and the fever continues with मेरे अंगने में that features Jacqueline Fernandez. अब गाने का तो पता नहीं but her look in the song was on point. She played a princess from 1435 and for today's episode of Look Like a Star, I'm going to recreate this look for you guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section below what look would you like me to recreate next. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.